So I am going to say a few words about creativity. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Well, succeeding life, I have already told you. You have to do 4 things, okay? Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1,
Great aim.
great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will
I will
continuously acquire knowledge. Continuously acquire knowledge.
continuously acquire knowledge.
Oh, I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, get the mantra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. What the major strength of India? You guys, that is 600 million youth. Major strength of India, 600 million youth. Okay? So the youth, repeat with me, ignited mind, all of you, ignited mind
The mind
of the youth
of the youth
is the most powerful resource
is what
on the earth,
on the earth,
above the earth,
above the
under the earth.
earth, under the earth.
You said, what is the weakness of India? Weakness of India. What is the weakness of India? Weakness of India. Without vision, the nation dies without vision. You must have a vision. Okay? Great. Yeah. Yes.
Among all your valuable accomplishments, which you consider outstanding as a space scientist and as the president of India?
Well, I personally believe I always value as a teacher. I am a teacher. When my student got a PhD, that was the greatest happiness for me. Okay. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great.
You gave an absolutely beautiful description of what a leader ought to be. But do you think without really bringing about a change in the education system, we can create such leaders? Because the system itself
It's a very good question. You see, education, madam, 3 components. Primary education, secondary education, higher education. I don't have much comment on secondary education and higher education. Both are going somewhat good. But my comment is on the primary education. Up to age 15, children, we need creative teachers. Children need creative syllabus. Children need creative classroom. All the 3 are missing. So we have to make a lot of reform in the primary education. Okay. I was spotted by Professor Vikram Sarabhai because I was not highly qualified. But I was working hard. I was acquiring the knowledge. At that time, when he spotted me as a young scientist, then he gave the full responsibility to grow. Not only he selected me when I am in the lower bottom, but he gave me a responsibility to grow and ensure that I succeed. If I fail, he was by my side. Okay. The greatest quality of a leader, whether political or scientist or technology or industry, when the success comes, the industry or the leader gives the success to his team. When the failure comes, the leader absorbs the failure. This is the greatest quality in politics. Okay. That is, this I have witnessed actually in my life. When I failed in SLV3, that is first launch of SLV3, putting the satellite in the orbit, it went to Bay of Bengal. It's a failure. On that day, Professor Satish Dhawan, he took a press conference, national, international press conference. There, he announced that we failed today. Definitely in a year time we'll succeed. I was the project director. I am the mission director. He is take the responsibility of failure, chairman of the ISRO. Next time when succeeded, he asked me to you go and conduct the press conference. We follow. That means when the success comes, he gives his people. When the failure comes, the leader absorbs. This is the quality, including media it is needed. Everywhere it is needed.
Who can you bravely
Who gave?
Bravery. Braveness.
Courage. Well, you see, courage you have. You know, courage comes from knowledge. Hello, you fellow, ask a question. Look at me. You repeat with me, knowledge. Repeat with me, knowledge. Repeat, knowledge is equal to creativity plus righteousness plus courage. So knowledge comes from courage.
The best brain of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Sir, could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last benches?
Where repeat your question.
The best brains of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last benches?
Because I was the last. Sometimes I was the last. Most of the time the first bench. But I felt the last bench. Everybody has got some knowledge. Everybody has got some knowledge. A great teacher, a good teacher, his way of teaching, his way of instructing the student, he doesn't care whether you are the first or the last. For him, everybody is student. For them, everybody is student. So friends, with this I will say, all of you will believe that where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. Who knew this righteous heart? Before 17 years, afterwards very difficult. When you reach 17, another prasad.
The best brains of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last bench student?
Because I was the last.
Even I do, sir.
Sometime on the last bench. Most of the time the first bench. But I felt the last bench and everybody has got some knowledge. Every human being has got some knowledge. A great teacher, a good teacher, his way of teaching, his way of instructing the student, he doesn't care whether you are the first or the last. For him, everybody is student. For her, everybody is student. Okay? So friends, with this I will say, all of you repeat with me that